Could the future of Zimbabwe's political landscape be standing on a tightrope? Welcome to our discussion on a recent controversy that's been stirring up the political pot in Zimbabwe. Our story unfolds in August of 2023, when Fadzayi Mahere and Alan Norman Markham, members of parliament for Mount Pleasant and Harare East respectively, were elected in harmonized elections. However, fast forward to January this year, and we find both Mahere and Markham resigning from parliament. Their resignations were acts of solidarity with the party's former leader, Nelson Chamisa, who abruptly quit the party, citing infiltration. Not long after, in by-elections held on Saturday, April 27th, ZANU-PF's Kevin Mutimbanyoka and George Mashavane fill up the vacant seats for Harare East and Mount Pleasant respectively. Here's where things start to heat up. Bulawayo Mayor David Coulthard suggests that Mahere and Markham essentially handed their seats over to ZANU-PF. His comments sparked a vigorous debate, leading to a war of words with Mahere. Mahere retaliates, calling Coulthard's claim disingenuous and reminding him of the events leading up to their resignations. These include the abduction and torture of CCC MP Takudzwa Ngadziore by suspected state agents, the recall of MPs, and the subsequent violence during their by-election campaigns. Coulthard later issued an apology, stating his comments were not intended as an attack on Mahere and Markham, both of whom he considers dear and trusted friends. In summary, this controversy highlights the tense political atmosphere in Zimbabwe. It raises questions about the nature of political resignations, the aftermath of those resignations, and the potential consequences of such actions on the political climate of the nation. While this controversy remains unresolved, one thing is clear: the Zimbabwean political landscape is as unpredictable as ever.